Just look at the route. Look at the trip, guys. We are in the midst of the forest. This is similar to what we had experienced in Ahobala, on the way to Pavana Narsimha.
Butterfly.
So now we are going to Singrikona. Look at the forest. Look at the canopy here.
Butterflies.
And all the butterflies. We're in the midst of the nature. If one wants to see different kinds of butterflies, you must visit Singrikona.
It's a butterfly paradise.
Yes, it's a paradise for butterfly lovers. Experience the butterflies. 2 kilometers is 5 minutes. Yes, that is why it is. 1 kilometer you should cover in 1 minute. So it's telling 2 kilometers. It's taking me 5 minutes. And it is. This reminds me of the trip to Ahobala forest. It's the same. Only that we were in the jeep. Now it's in my Baleno. Now 1 kilometer the bus.
ಹೇಳು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡು. We are almost heading to
Singrikona.
It's middle of Tirupati and Chennai. We were heading to another temple and we saw this temple and the road is okay. You have to.
You need a Thar. To enjoy the trip, you need a Thar or you need a Jeep.
But it's a beautiful place.
Or a Defender. Yes. Wow, just look at the butterflies here.
Where is the temple?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಗುರು. ಇದೇ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ.
Lakshmi Narasimha Swami temple. Allide. That's the temple there on top.
Where top?
On the top there. Here. This is vehicle parking, but today is Monday, so no one is there.
ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಂತೆ.
You can go to there. ಮೇಲ್ವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಹೋಗುತ್ತಂತೆ.
ಕಾರ?
ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಮೆಟ್ಲೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಾಕಂತಂದು.
ಸಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಲ್ಸೋಣ.
ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಏನಂತ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಸ್
ಮೆಟ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇದೆ, ತಿಂತೀಯಾ?
No, thank you.
ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು TTD ಟೆಂಪಲ್.
ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್.
The small Singarikona temple. It's very beautiful. Only few people come here because it's a rough road which have to come across. And this is the Garudalayam temple. And the beautiful nature. And there's a falls, waterfalls. Small waterfalls in front of the temple.